Hey Brent, at what point in your career did you start to feel truly confident in your ability to solve problems that you have never seen before? So, a long time ago in a galaxy far, far away, Microsoft had this program called the Microsoft Certified Master. Before I went through that, I always felt like I was an imposter. I was like, there must be someone who has more secret keys than I have. There must be somebody who is more innately in touch with how databases work. Like they must be like Neo in the Matrix and they just know Kung Fu. And the MCM program had like a 75% failure rate, and it was notoriously challenging. And even a lot of the people who passed it didn't pass on their first try. They took until their second try before they were able to pass it. And I passed it on the first try. And I was like, oh, there isn't a secret decoder ring. And like talking to the other Microsoft certified masters and like being able to answer some of their questions about how different things worked, I was like, I do kind of know this stuff. And that just gave me the confidence. I felt before I always was like, well, let's roll up our sleeves and figure this out. You know, how hard can it be? It's software. It was written by humans. You know, humans can understand it. Um, but after that, I really had the confidence to say, okay, I have no problem taking money in exchange for doing work. Um, and for a really long time, still today, I still believe that if I can't figure the problem out, I don't want to charge somebody. And it's only happened a couple of times in my career where I just was like, okay, I've run out of ideas. I've talked to people that I know. This isn't ringing any bells with anybody. And a classic example of that was we were having random problems with performance that really felt like a CPU was hiccuping, felt like a CPU was pausing from time to time. And I was like, man, I'm so sorry. I can't figure this out at the OS level and at the SQL Server level. It just feels like, I don't know if it's a driver or something that's causing the whole CPU to freeze from time to time. Um, and I said, I'm sorry, I can't charge you for this because I can't prove it with a smoking gun. But if I was you, I would move to another server and just see if it repeats the problem because I don't think it's your database. And it was really funny. The client was like, well, it's okay. We'll pay you. You know, clearly we felt, or there's a value to us going to the best people we could find and them being stumped by it as well. They said, oh, you know, Microsoft was stumped by it. The hardware vendor was stumped by it. And I was like, at what point do you just not switch servers? And sure enough, they did switch servers and it went away. So it was a problem with a defective CPU, which I found interesting.